Hi everyone, it is the one room challenge and we are officially done week 5. And I have to tell you, officially I should be done, but guess what? I'm not done. Nope, not done at all. So I want to tell you what happened because I'm a stickler with calendars. Some people call it anal, I call it a stickler, I call it being happily organized. So what happened was I had everyone sequenced in. So cabinet install, then vanity template, the counter to be templated, and then the template, then that counter installed, and then the plumbing installed, the final electrical installed, and then the rest of the decor and accessories installed and done for Friday. We're still not done. So this was videotaped on Tuesday. And yesterday there was no work in the bathroom, and today there was no work in the bathroom. And I started feeling my shoulders going up to my ears, which is what I didn't want to do. So the plan is, so today's Tuesday. So Wednesday, the final electrical's coming in. They can come in and do their final, install the pendant lights, install the pot light, install the very pretty adorned switches that are going in this bathroom. So that's Wednesday. Thursday, the counter's going to be installed. The rest of the vanity and the floating shelves are going to be installed. And then Friday is final plumbing, and then bada bing, bada boom. Late Friday night, I'll be decorating in here. I'll be taking photos. I'll be blogging about it. I'll be videoing about it. And so there's really not much to show you. I'll turn the camera around. We actually installed something in the bathroom for the towels that I don't want to show you just yet. I want to save that for the final reveal. So I'll turn the camera over and I'll show you exactly what's been done and what still has to get done to keep my shoulders down so that on the weekend I can have 1 or 2 glasses of wine to celebrate. So let's take a look and see where we are with this project. So I'm standing in the bathtub right now trying to give you the best possible view of this floating vanity. You'll see some cords there. I'm not going to talk about what that is for electrical, and I'll save that surprise for the final reveal. So I'm just going to walk past the floating vanity, explain this middle portion in 1 minute, and then I'll explain what's happening on the left side and the right side. So give me a minute to bend down, a little bit old here. So on this far left side, there's going to be 2 bank of drawers that pull out fully. Then there's a middle part, and the front of those drawers on both sides are going to hide this middle part. Super important for the plumbing in with what I've done with the sink and the faucets. Then of course the right side is drawers as well. I've kept the plan here from Casa Flores of the vanity and how high everything needs to be. And then for today, I've left out how high I want those pendant lights hanging from the existing countertop right now. When I pan out, every time I look at the shower tile, I love it. Now right now the lighting's crappy, but that'll get fixed. The far right, I blurred out. That's gonna be a surprise. I wanna leave that until the final reveal. And of course, my favorite part of the whole thing is the floor.